Hi guys, magandang umaga. Silipin natin yung cherry on top behind the scenes. Panoorin kagad natin guys.
Tapos doon na kami, doon hindi pa tapos.
Nakaisip ako ng second voice sa Bridge Park, diba? Tapos, ayun, sobrang na-amaze sila. Tapos ako sobrang na-flatter talaga ako na kitang-kita ko kung gaano sila ka-genuine talaga.
Different songs work in different territories. It takes a bit of thought and development to try and take something that might be very Philippines specific to potentially a more international audience sound-wise.
Talagang nalabasan pag both talaga sides are like the winning halfway or teamwork talaga.
Hi kuya, sobrang smooth lang today. Well, parang ko na feel yung pagod.
It's your birthday, yeah!
Sobrang sarap sa feeling na nandito na po kami ngayon na ginagawa na po namin yung energy kasi sobrang tagal na itong song na natenga. Alam mo yun, sobrang tagal na.
Hi guys! So, dito po tayo ngayon sa day 1 ng Cherry on Top MV shoot ko. So, we arrived mga around 5. Medyo pagod pa lang din yung katawan namin kasi galing kami Baguio. We had a show there. So, kahit puyat, wala pa kami tulog. Pero, tayo naman. 2 days tayo mag-shoot. Tignan nyo naman sila kuya ko. Bongga, diba? Pinipate nila ngayon yung ating magiging background dito.
Sila po yung mga tumulong po sa amin to make all of this come into life and into reality. Thank you so much po. Serve niyo po ng isang bagsak. 1, 2, 3. Ganon. Here on our left side. Makikita niyo po ang mural na ngayon lang din ginawa. Kaninang umaga na siya ginawa. Ang galing, di ba? Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing. So, cherry on top. And nakita niyo yung iba't ibang elements.
Ito guys yung background nila sa sayaw nilang cherry on top.
Sweet ball. Comment down below.
Galing ni Maloy mag-host.
She's the one.
Buti na lang tinor tayo ni Maloy sa set ng cherry on top.
Diba? Every instant ko shooting. Yeah, it's a green screen but not green, so it's blue screen na ginamit ko niya ni Lisa and ni Gwen para sa kanya.
Cute ni Maloy dyan, tsaka ni Gwen.
Shots. At abangan niyan sa MV dahil napakaganda. Talagang kaabang-abang. Director for today's the director and the plan of the direction. Yeah, siya po ang tutorial. Give me us very hands-on. And sila na talaga yung gumagawa ng MVs namin from the beginning up until now. And I hope hanggang sa pag natapos ng aming karera na aming buhay, I hope that they will work.
Drama pa si Maloy.
The King Sad! Give it up for fun!
Guys, ang lapit na ng nila, Grand Biniverse concert.
This is the quick
2 days na lang guys.
tour of our shoot. We hope you enjoyed it. Abangan nyo.
Grand Araneta Coliseum guys.
Music video shoot. See you guys!
Nung narinig po namin yung cherry on top, feeling ko i-edit nila namin yung mga cherry on top and super vibrant ng vibe. Parang yung first time namin na magkaroon ng English song na ganda yung vibe. Parang from Pita Pan to cherry on top, parang nag-evolve, parang naging mature in a way, in a good way.
So we started learning cherry on top choreography. Actually, January pa lang. Isa to sa mga first na ginawa namin this year. Pero hindi kami consistent kasi we have other dance din na binubuo and mga other ganaps. So, hindi ko iti-total mo lahat. Siguro it took us yung mga 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks.
Choreographed ni Sir Jonathan Sison, ang Mexican Filipino. So, feel ko talaga na ilalan niya yung kung paano yung mga choreo ng Bini. Kasi yung mga cheese block is very Bini talaga.
Incorporate po namin ulit yung sign language. So may part sa dance namin na may sign language din. So yung C-H-E-R-R-Y, choose cherry. So para, alam mo yun, para makaintindi naman lahat ng makikinig sa song namin.
Cherry is so berry when makain candy. Kasi kind of tripping, tryna own just so fancy. You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm a cherry on top, cherry on top.
Challenge is nag-adjust kami kasi po may mga naka-work po kaming partners for this song. Hindi lang po siya scene na usual na ginagawa namin like sa live distribution, total different siya ng system, the usual namin.
Nakaisip ako ng second voice sa bridge part, diba? Tapos, ayun, sobrang na-amaze sila. Tapos ako sobrang na-flatter talaga ako na kitang-kita ko kung ano sila ka-genuine, talaga.
Lalabasan pag both talaga sides are like nagbigay halfway or teamwork talaga.
Hi!
My presence is a present. Talking French will keep you guessing. Talking French will keep My presence is a present. Talking French will keep you guessing. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find. C-H-E-R-R-Y. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find.
Yay! Thank you.
Now you got a little Candy Crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Little
It's your birthday on repeat, yeah.
If you want that sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want that spice, I can turn the heat up. Okay na po siya na falsetto po yun. If you want that sweet, if you want that sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want that spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. You got a little cherry on top.
Oh my gosh, Gwen definitely has to sign my baby shirt.
Sobrang sarap sa feeling na nandito na po kami ngayon na ginagawa na po namin yung MV kasi sobrang tagal na na-preserve ng song na to. So maganda na nagawa na namin siya ngayon at ilalabas na siya. So, my favorite part of the shoot today, I would say, is when we dance on top of the cake because that's the first time that we use that kind of props wherein it's platform, tapos it's so cute because we're dancing on top of a cake. It's not that high, which is manageable, and it looks so cute because it complemented with our outfit.
Guys, ang galing ni Maloy at saka ni Stacy, si Mika, si Gwen, Joanna, Sheena. Ang gagaling nila guys. Malapit na yung concert nila guys. Panoorin natin. Hi guys, shoutout sa inyo dun sa mga nasa Tarawaw at mga papasok, sana hindi kayo matraffic. Magandang araw sa inyo guys. Kung may mga lakad, agahan nyo para hindi kayo ma-late sa pinapasukan nyo. Magandang araw sa inyo guys. Ingatan natin yung kalusugan natin.